Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you will be all fine with great and good health. In previous lesson we discussed about topsoil and subsoil. In topsoil, fertile top layer of the soil, dark colored, rich minerals. Subsoil, lighter colored layer of the soil. Below the topsoil, rich minerals, few organisms are present. Now we discuss and now prove that actual layer of the soil is that, and to examine the layer of the soil we took an experiment. Put some garden soil in a measuring cylinder. Pour some water in it and stir it gently. Allow the solution to stand for a while. You will see layers of different soil component in this cylinder, measuring cylinder. This is a measuring cylinder, and pour some water from the garden soil. From the garden soil we take some garden soil and put in the measuring cylinder, and some pour into the measuring cylinder, and this water and soil allow to stand for some time. You will see all layers of the soil in that cylinder. This is the gravel and small pieces. The heaviest particles, which is a small stones, will settle at the bottom and not move, and parts of the root and the leaves and some small insects will be seen floating on the surface. Small insects floating on the surface. This is a gravel or a bedrock. This is a subsoil. This is a topsoil, and these are all the humus, and these area that plant grow of that area of the soil. Now this is proof that the layer of the soil. By this experiment we repeat this experiment. We take some soil from the garden and pour into put into the small measuring cylinder, and some water. We take some water and add this measuring cylinder. This solution stand for some time. After some time you will see that layers of the soil is make in this cylinder. This is the small stones which is not dissolves, which is not this is the heaviest particles and settles at the bottom, and this is small roots, and this is the insects and leaves on the floating of the surface of the soil, because this is a solution of the soil and the water, and this is the heaviest and small stones that it is not absorbed. This is not dissolved in the water of that solution, and this is a root, and this is the leaves or the small insect which is floating in the surface of this solution, because this is a solution of the soil and the water. To prove that actually this is the layers of the soil, and which things are present in the layers of the soil. Now by this experiment we proved that we see that these are all the things which is present in the layers of the soil.